All right, let's get started. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. This is the start of 2022 Bowman's Best MLB 4-box break BYT number 4 here on Mojobreak Media. My name is Ty. It's fantastic to have all of you guys in here today. Good morning, everybody. We have ALZLFKEM with the Brewers, A. Montero with the Mets, Bry Hudson with the Astros, Christopher Hayward with the Cubs, Dayu Cross-Eyed with the Nationals, Eric with the Marlins, Rangers, Padres, Guardians, Orioles, Rockies, Pirates, Angels, Athletics, Phillies, Rays, and Blue Jays, FN Montaninos with the Braves, HC916 with the Reds and the Twins, Ja Wittek with the Mariners, Michael with the Giants, MWEPRYK107 with the White Sox, Roch Adus, Ro Chad US with the Diamondbacks, Ryan Gutster with the Cardinals, Sonny with the Red Sox, Thomas Brown 1974 with the Yankees and the Tigers, and Truck Driver 3940 with the Dodgers and the Royals. Welcome in, everybody. Great to see you back, Eric. Welcome in, Henry. Welcome in, Ja Wittek. Great to see you guys. Hope we're all doing well today. Let's see what we got. Welcome in, Truck Driver. Best of luck, everybody. I try. Barracuda. Now it's stuck in my head. Heck yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. What's good, you guys? Alrighty. Let's get some of these gold lavas out of here. I know they're in there. Let me pop out this chat real quick so I can see y'all. We can interact today. Alright, there we go. Sweet. It's Fantastic Friday, or it's Feel Good Friday. We're going Feel Good mode into the weekend. I think Dr. Feel Good was stuck in my head when I created this one, so that's our inspiration for today's stream. All right, Eric, you got a whole haul, my man. I got a feeling we gotta get at least 3 or 4 autos out for your teams. We got 11 teams left in NBA Donruss, guys. Check it out. And Mr. Henry. The Twins are a nice one. Yesterday, the Twins had like 3 autos come out of our 4-box break, so there's a good chance we'll get some Yasser Mercedes for you. Want to see it in that gold lava. My personal favorite is probably the aqua lava, but I like the aquas in all sets of anything tops, really. Do you guys like... Now, here's an interesting question. Do you guys like the lavas or the ray waves better? They're similar, but different. Alright, guys, box number 1. Let's see what we got. Acuna refractor, Elias Montero rookie refractor for the Rockies. And our first autograph is for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Congrats, Eric. Lonnie White Jr. That will be top loaded before shipment.
second there.
I might have. We have Corey Seager, green refractor for the Rangers, numbered 55 and 99. We've got a mini diamond rookie for the Giants, Elliot Ramos, numbered 65 of 299. Mackenzie Gore, rookie refractor, O'Shea refractor. Jack Sawinski, rookie refractor. And our second autograph for the Chicago White Sox, Oscar Colas, base auto today. Thanks for showing up, Oscar. Congrats, MW. Here's a base auto of Colas. Cabrera refractor. Cal Raleigh, rookie refractor for the Mariners. Got an atomic of Joshua Baez for the Cardinals. James Wood refractor. Oscar Colas, Jackson Holiday refractor. And our next autograph for the Miami Marlins, we got a refractor auto, rookie Ian Lewis. Congrats, Eric. We got a refractor auto for you. That will be top loaded before shipment. And for the Giants, purple refractor Elliot Ramos for the Giants, rookie numbered 120 out of 250. Brooks Lee refractor. Taro Volpe, that's cool. Bryson Stott rookie refractor. Mike Trout refractor. And our next auto is Hedbert Perez for the Brewers. Base auto that will be top loaded before shipment. Milwaukee Brewers for ALZ. Congrats. That will be top loaded before shipment. And that is the first 4 autos in that box. Guys, check out the pin to break in the chat. George Valera refractor. UFO. And if you guys want in on Bowman's Best, our next one, I'll pin it in the chat. There's a global impact of Vlad Guerrero Jr. and Miguel Cabrera. Let me pin our next one. We got Bowman's Best, another PYT today. And teams were discounted. Let's see how many are left. Looks like we have about 12 left. Pretty good. Alright guys, what do we think of box number 1? Let's give it a rate. I'm going to give that a 4. I like them Giants rookie Elliot Ramos. Spent 1 year working for a minor league team for the San Jose Giants, and the 2 stars of the team, prospect-wise, were Elliot Ramos and Joey Bart. So really cool to see a lot of Ramos come out. Ooh, that's a weird case.
A weird card?
Heck yeah, I like it. It's a tall case. Usually the cases are flat. I actually got in today. I'm really hoping YG will be breaking some Bowman's Best over on the main channel real soon, and I'm hoping to pull some Giants because your boy got the Giants. So definitely feel free to check out some teams that he's got left. He's doing an 8-boxer today, full case. And wish him some luck. Oh, I realize I'm putting them on the same stack. Dang. But You guys have been so much fun in the chat. You guys kind of convinced me to get in a break sooner than I've been waiting on basketball products, but I've been loving Bowman'S Best as we've been breaking it the last couple days, so hopped in a break myself. All right, best of luck. There's Yasser. Low. There's an Air of Alvarez, Francisco Alvarez. Rookie Refractor Hunter Green for the Reds. George Kirby, Bryce Harper UFO, Bryce Harper Refractor. There's Torque. And our auto is for the Reds, Yerlin Confidant. Base auto. That will be top loaded before shipment. Cincinnati.
Hey, did you order something from Vistaprint? No.
Cincinnati Reds. Yes. Congrats, Henry. Nice auto. Global Impact die cut of Yadier and Cabrian Hayes. Arias Refractor. And for the Mariners, Jonathan Clace. Refractor auto. Seattle Mariners. Congrats, Jaw Wittek. Nice hit, my man. That will be top loaded before shipment. Got a blue refractor rookie for the Red Sox, Jarren Duran. Numbered 67 of 150. Run Lawler refractor. Alvarez, Mackenzie Gore. Global Impact Atomic. Benny Montgomery. For the Rockies. Big gold. Come on. Gold lava. I knew we were going to get one today. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Warming Burna Bell. I don't know why my rocket ship's not working. We'll just imagine I hit my rocket ship. For the Rockies, gold lava refractor, numbered 16 of 75. Congrats, Eric. That will be top loaded before shipment. Ellie. There's Bobby Witt, rookie refractor. Acuna Atomic. Bobby Witt refractor, masterpieces. CJ Abrams refractor. Alright, Timmy, I'll check that in a second. Good morning. Nice to meet you, my man. There's a Darrell Hernandez refractor auto for the Orioles. We got a purple refractor, Jordan Lawler for the Diamondbacks, numbered 71 of 250. QIT3. The 3-box one. Tyler Meagle, rookie refractor for the Mets.
Oh, well, this one. I wish I could.
Like the one that's going to be up in 20 minutes. Jazz.
Oh, wow.
Alright. My thing is loading and I'm looking into that, my man.
How much absolute did you get?
Whoa. This pack is front bent. I've never seen a pack front bent. That sucks. You guys see that? Alright, Jazz. Maybe try it again, my man. The Jazz have not been taken. In that break. The Jazz, that's why the Jazz still show, because either there was a payment error or probably a slew of other reasons. But the Jazz are still available in the next break. Oh, the Matherin auto? Dude, congrats. I've been chasing Matherin. Only gotten to one Pacers break so far, or NBA Donruss break. No Benny for me, though, but congrats, dude. That was awesome. That's gonna be... Is that your guy that you're chasing, too? Because that's definitely my guy. Gonna be our guy together. The more the merrier, right? Alright, box number 3. Alright, you guys, pinned in the chat is our next break, which will be Donruss, happening in 15 minutes. There's Seiya Suzuki, rookie refractor. We got a blue refractor auto, William Bergolla for the Philadelphia Phillies, numbered 98 of 150. Philadelphia. Congrats, Eric. Alright, I'll look into that in a few moments. There's our Aqua Lava O'Neal Cruz, numbered 114 out of 199. It could still be coming through, my man. Brass Knuckles. What's the Brass Knuckles? Oh, the auto. That's sick, actually. Dude, that's what you meant? I never looked at it like that. That's cool. That will be top loaded before shipment. Oh, there's Jackson Churio. Chase Jung refractor. Jose Miranda rookie refractor. Oh, Edison Paulino for the Red Sox base auto. Oh, you're good. Are the Jazz? I'll check. No worries, Timmy. Yeah, that's so funny actually. Good catch, Eric. Edison Paulino. That will be top loaded before shipment. Congrats, Sonny. Got you a nice auto. Josh Lowe rookie refractor. Global Impact Garrett Cole for the Yanks. And Eli Green. You're all good, my man Timmy. The Jazz are actually still in number 3, and they actually are discounted pretty heavily for number 3. They're 27 in number 3, so if you paid 34 in the last one, you can get the Jazz twice today, and that'd be like a $6 break for you, my man. Choice is yours, of course, no pressure. Ooh, for the Orioles, Luis Gonzalez refractor auto. I'm really hoping once again, Eric and Henry, that the final box has all the goodies. Because this is feeling oddly similar to yesterday. Nice refractor auto, Luis Gonzalez. Ooh, a green mini diamond refractor, Ellie De La Cruz for the Reds. Number 55 and 99. Guys, if you want to get in the next Bowman Best break, it is in the chat. If you scroll up a little bit, our next one of the day. That was, yeah, 55 and 99. And we got a mini diamond of Corey Seager. Now it is bent frontwards. Really weird, but that's unfortunate. Number 34 of 299 for the Rangers. We got a redemption for the Reds. Ellie De La Cruz. Hey, right on. I appreciate that, Timmy. Ellie De La Cruz. Royalty. Prospective Royalty auto. Lava refractor. Torque Air. It is bent really poorly. JD Martinez also bent very poorly. Simone Wan. Why are they bent like this? Wow, that's not... Oh, dang it. This auto is going to be bent. Dang. Jordan Wicks for the Cubs. refractor auto, and it is bent in. Unfortunately, feel how weird that is.
They were pinned against something.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Like they were.
Yeah, it was just weird how like four of the, how many packs are in each one? Like I think it's like 6 packs. 4 of the packs were like normal, and then 2 of them were like bent in.
Yeah, they were pinned.
It's the problem with mass distributing.
Yeah, right. There's Christian Hernandez. I apologize for you guys. I can't believe Bowman actually produced that. Man, these are Lubob Atomic. It looks like a sled.
Yeah.
Dang. Oh, and that's it. That's a refractor wander. And there's a huge mark in the middle of it. Dang. Dang.
No Taco.
Isn't that so bad?
That needs to go back to the.
Yeah.
Bowman needs to make those over.
Yeah. Walker Kessler. All right, we'll get that Walker Kessler magic going. If it was the auto, oh, I guess that auto, I'll put it. The Cubs auto, I'll put a pack with it and the UPC code. Yeah, we'll get that magic going. And you said it in the chat. Now, Timmy, I'm a firm believer. It sounds really weird, but it works. Eric got to experience it yesterday. When we speak it into existence in the chat, the boxes listen. Yeah, there's one under the work state, that the shipping station all the way to the right.
On the left.
Should be on the left side. Let's get some Jackson Holiday magic right now. Let's do it. That's got, dude. It's gonna happen. Let's go. Gotta make that magic happen. Let's do it. I feel like Mickey Mouse in the Disney commercials with the wand. We're gonna make that magic happen. I'm casting my spell on these cards right now. That mojo spell. That mojo magic. Otani, Trout, Tatis, Cruz, or Termar. All right, Eric. Let's go. All right, guys, final box. Best of luck, everybody. Really appreciate all you guys. And then we got another Bowman's Best coming up very soon. Gavin Cross, Joe Ryan, Taj Bradley, refractor auto for the Rays. And that was also you, Eric. Congrats. Yo, what's up, my man? Okay. Oh, heck yeah. Alright, yeah, I've not been on the IG in like a week or 2. Hopefully you're doing well, my man. But yeah, I'm interested now. Stephen Kwan, rookie refractor, purple, numbered 186 out of 250. No, 106 out of 250. Someone has spilt the tea. Wander Franco, there we go. There's a nice clean one, rookie refractor. We've got a JD Martinez mini diamond refractor for the Red Sox. Numbered 75 at 299. Yo, I got some iMac up today. I think the lines are actually still available, but definitely should view it, my man. iMac's been sweet. Yesterday, we pulled a card. It was 1 out of 10 and had a helmet in it. I've never seen a helmet card. It was so sick. Oh, for sure. Really? Yeah. Okay, I know what you're talking about. We got 2 nice refractors right there. Marco Luciano and Brian De La Cruz. Jeez Louise. Expect a gadget over here. I like it. Jackson Holiday refractor. And Reggie Crawford refractor auto for the Giants. Dang, I think I know what you're talking about. My interest is peaked. Is peaked P-E-A-K-E-D, or is it P-I-Q-U-E-D? Who knows? They all sound the same. We've got a Christian Santana for the Tigers, Atomic. Gabriel Arias, rookie refractor. Wander Franco refractor of the masterpieces. Yeah, hopefully you're around for IMAC today. It's gonna be. I'm so excited for it. It's gonna be sick. There's Erubel Angeles for the Athletics base auto. Congrats to the A's. I know the A's were like a great price. Bo Bichette green refractor for the Blue Jays, numbered 98 to 99. Royce Lewis rookie refractor. Come on, where's Jackson? There's Henry Davis refractor. Vaquero refractor. Eli Green atomic. Come on, Jackson Holiday. Come on, Jackson. Wow! For the Texas Rangers. Bang, bang, bang. Kumar Rocker atomic. No, sorry. Lava auto. 9 of 50. That's a gold. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Who got Texas today? Eric! Eric! Congrats, dude. We'll say, I think Kumar Rocker sounds very close to Termar, right? Congrats, dude. That'll be top loaded before shipment. We've got a Julio refractor, UFO refractor, Ellie De La Cruz refractor, and a Kumar Rocker refractor. Right on. Well, really appreciate everyone in that break. Heck yeah, my man. Guys, check out the chat because we do have another Bowman's